Guys. That's not how we take apart pallets. Yeah, use your robot. I'm gonna go do this by hand.
All right, old man. thanks for checking out this build, and thank you to Inventables, maker of the X-carve, for making this video possible. I'm always trying to push that X-carve CNC to the limit, doing things that you're really just not going to be able to do by hand. So that's how we came up with these penny boards made out of wood with this CNC carved texture in the top that matches the exact texture on the original plastic penny boards. Made a few of these flat versions which work just as well, but also made a couple with tails on them just to test my patience. And just for a little bit of a comparison, I made this one here, carving it entirely by hand with a palm router with the Kyle Toth leopard print pattern with the veneer on the top. Hey, have you heard of Woodbrew?
I'm Dylan.
I'm Molly.
Well, we built these penny boards together this week in my shop, and we built some lamps too. We got our own different versions, videos on their channel, so go check that. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Anyway, I think this is a really cool application of the X-carve CNC, combining that with the handwork of power carving down the bottom with the turbo plane to create a cool contoured, rounded shape. So we're actually going to be making some more of these if you'd like to get one of your own. I'm going to list these up on my website for sale. Woodbrew's going to make a plywood version similar to this, and mine are going to be all reclaimed from pallet wood. And they will be fully customizable. You can put your logo or name in the center, you can have my logo instead, and you can pick your own custom colors, kind of like these guys here. So I went a little crazy here and made a few of these boards here, custom colored and logoed for the brands that supported this build. So Inventables is going to get the yellow version cut on their machine, and then Rockler and Arbortech, you also saw me using their tools in the course of this build. All right, I think that's it for this one. Go check out all the links in the description for the X-carve to learn more about that, as well as the Arbortech and Rockler tools that I used in the course of this build. But for now, I'm gonna go and go find some more pallets.